Others they confuse saying top twins, but soft twins,
The newly say they've not had a chance to listen to all in voice music and were inspired by Nigerian R&B duo known as Peace Corps.
We are not sure of Go and Rose, but once heard about them. And we wish even to see their videos sometimes that maybe we can learn a little bit from their music. But we are really inspired is Quest.
The Chinotima-based Queen singing duo recently released their solo track, which is a video trending on social media titled Amakhekhekhe. Mosia Tunya High School head, Mr. Ronald Sbanda, and music teacher, Mrs. Ruth Mpofu, say they are proud to be associated with the talented twins and are confident that with more support, the duo can become celebrated music stars. The identical twins are hopeful that one day they'll be able to share the stage with international artists at the annual iconic Victoria Falls Carnival. Lakmo Safuli, ZBC News, Victoria Falls.